What's up? So today I'm going to do a little work on my 70 C-10 here. I've got to take the door panel off. I'm installing new locks on the doors. And I'm going to show how to take off these handles here and handles here. So let's see if we can get started on this job. So what I did was I took a piece of metal and I just took pliers and bent the tip so I can get it to work just right. You can also get these screwdriver looking things that got a curve edge on them like that, like a pick. I didn't have any picks. I do have one, but it's broken, so I'm going to use this and I'll show you guys where to go and how to do this on there. Alright, see if you can see this. Usually on the opposite end here, there's two little bumps, and in between them you can take this hook and hook it in there and pull the clip right out. Let's see if I can't get in there and get that clip. I can feel it hooked right there and pull it right out, allowing you to slide that right off. Right there's them two little bumps there. This ring sits over that. Just put it back on there. Put this down. There. And it just snaps on like that. And that's where you're taking this pick and you're pulling this up. Just like that. And that's what you're pulling out. Then you put it back on there like that. When you pop it back on there, it snaps around that ring there on its own. For the door lock, it does the same thing, or the door handle does the same thing. Somebody popped that one on the opposite side. So they had this one on they had the spring on the back side of that one bump instead of having it on the two spot. And then again, just like the window crank, just pop that back on there. Maybe. Like that. It'll be just like that right there. And just like the other one, when you go to pop it on, it should pop right over that ring there. Right in there. Nothing to it. So to take the rest of the panel off, you just take out these 4 screws down here on the bottom, and then this armrest had 2 Phillip heads. I'm going like that. I've already removed those. And to pull this out, you just gotta lift it up a little bit, and then it slides right down. Put it out to the side. And then you can see at the top it's just held on by this trim that's screwed in. Alright, do this locking mechanism. Just a brand new piece. I don't have the retainer pin or the pawl to hook up right now. So I'm just going to pop this in there until I get the rest of it. I'm going to have this little plastic gasket to go onto the lock, and then it slides into the door, and then this retainer clip right here will hold it in. When you're doing the retainer clip, it's going to go in like that with the bubble pushing out. So that way when this is in the door, it's going to go in there and push against the metal right there and keep it locked in. Just like that. And that way it's flat. We'll go ahead and do that. Alright, so I got it in there. Got it pushed up against there. Got that little plastic ring in there. That plastic ring does go on a certain way. It only fits on one way. And you can see up in there the retaining clip. Right there. See how I got it to hold it in? That's all there is to it. I'm gonna put the panel back on, and I'm gonna have to order some new parts for the rest of the door locks and all that, but at least okay, like I was saying, just put that clip right back down in there. I always like to leave it on those two bumps on top like that so you can make sure you get out the next time. But you just put it right on there and get it to line up and locks it right back down. Nothing to it. Same thing with the handle. Make sure you get that pin in there like that. And just line it up. Nothing to it. Locks them right back down. Thanks for watching. If you guys like it, please leave me a like, subscribe. I'm gonna do some more 70 C-10 stuff. Might do some random stuff here and there. You never know. Give me some comments if you have anything to say.